One thing that we need to keep in mind is that if we don't reach the goal fast enough, we will burn through all of our funding and we'll never reach the goal. Yes, I definitely have something to add to this. I'm not sure if I agree with the frame. We put it so tackle these multiple fronts from the beginning is training on the funding. But one thing that we need to keep in mind is that if we don't reach the goal fast enough, we will burn through all of our funding and we'll never reach the goal. So I do think that there is a balance to it that we need to find. So I don't think that we should that we have to prioritize necessarily the regulatory pathways or the commercialization pathways. In fact, I'm a firm believer that both of them should work in alignment, work together to propel the adoption of the solution. Because you can have a regulated solution, but that's just the starting point. Someone has to pay for it. The insurances have to pay for it. Someone needs to be involved in the commercialization. So it can break your neck. You get your, it's a commercial trap. You get your regulations, but then cannot go to market. No one pays for it, and then you didn't achieve anything, although you have maybe a brilliant solution. So I would urge everyone to really think about the path of commercialization, their economic viability of their model early on and parallelly to the regulatory.
If you clicked on this video, chances are you're struggling with the clinical adoption of your solution, aligning with everyday workflows and/or investor pressure. The good news, you've already started your journey to improve what's been holding you back for so long. Hi, my name is Amel Havkic and I am the founder of EvoMed Consulting. In my years as a doctor, I've seen numerous brilliant medtech solutions collecting dust and ultimately fail, never to help those they were intended to. I started working with medtech companies around the globe, helping them align their solutions with clinical reality, ultimately saving them millions in losses and improving business outcomes and patient safety. Now, if anything I said so far resonates with you, feel free to book a free strategy session and let's explore how EvoMeet Consulting can help your company walk you all the way from idea to real world clinical impact. The link to book your session is just somewhere below this video, and I'm looking forward to meet you and to walk this road together.